Hey guys, what's up? And today we, as you can tell by the title, we are doing the stuffed animal bath challenge. I've just filled this up. I filled my suitcase and brought them, I did it 5 times, and then eventually they were too big to fit in the suitcase, so I just put them here, which there's a lot of them, considering it's really deep. So the way to my knees. Which I really wish I had other ones. So I'm gonna try it. So I just need to set up the camera somewhere. And let's do this. Okay, sorry. I just need to set it up in a better spot. That's good. Woo! I almost missed the jump there. I'm gonna try and go in. This is deep. I can touch the bottom. Wait. Oh, that was in the shower. Sorry, there's this random thing that looks like a parasite in my shower. Thought it was in the bathtub, but it wasn't. It kind of looks like puke. But yeah, this is really fun, and I'm gonna move the camera to a better angle to show you guys how it is. So just be warned, very disgusting stuff, like looks like a parasite-ish or like poop-ish, so I'm gonna just try and avoid it. Okay, like and subscribe the video, please, because I really do try my best. We're gonna dive in. Whoa. What the heck? Oh, that's just Angry Birds. I thought I heard a bunch of screaming children. Yeah, I'm home alone. Woo! Where's my dragon? Yo, where's my dragon at? Not my ender dragon, my baby dragon. Yo. Where you at, my homie? I can't find him. Oh, found him. What he can do. He smells like cotton candy, and if you click his right paw, hello? It's fine, it's just my cats. And that was it for today, guys. It was super fluffy and fun.